Ayatul Kursi is very powerful. Do you read it every day, every morning, every evening? When you repeat these verses with sincerity, Allah says they are so powerful that the jinn will not come near. Allahu Akbar. Of a magician, a lady from Russia. In an interview online that is there, when you're doing your magic and when you're trying to affect people with all types of magic, are there any people that you find it difficult to actually affect? She says, yes, the Muslims. The practicing Muslims who pray 5 times a day. These are the words of a non-Muslim. Why? She explains that when they pray, there is a strength and there is like a dome around them. You just can't get through. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Wallahi, these are non-Muslims telling you. And you think that this Quran we have been blessed with is something minor. It is the most amazing gift that you have.